So we have a box of mass 2 kg and it is being pulled up a rough plane by means of a light rope. So it's providing a force of 18 Newton. The plane is inclined at an angle of 20 degree to the horizontal. The rope is parallel to the line of greatest slope. Line of greatest slope means basically this line over here. This line is known as the line of greatest slope. The tension in the rope is 18 Newton. The coefficient of friction is 0.6. So all this information is given. So let's do question number A first. So we need to know the normal reaction force. So what we know is this is 20 degree. So the mass of the object is 2 kg. So this is 2g Newton. So it would have, this would be 2g sine 20, and this would be 2g cos 20, and this would be the normal reaction force. That means, there is no other components. Of course, it is being pulled up. So let me use this color. So it is being pulled up by this force, 18 Newton force. So if it is being pulled up, that means the friction is going to be in the opposite direction. So friction is going to be in this direction, and friction is mu r. Mu is 0.6 and this is r. So since this is moving in the upward direction, so we can say that it is accelerating upwards. It is moving upwards, so it is accelerating upwards. Now, one of the thing that is important over here is to remember that since there are no components normal to the plane, so that basically means we can say the reaction force is going to be 2g cos 20. So since there is never a motion normal to the plane, whenever an object is moving, it's going to move along the plane. So 2 into 9.8 into cos 20. So that is 18.4. So 18.4 Newton, that is the reaction force, normal reaction force. Now the next question is find the acceleration. So for finding the acceleration, it has to be along the plane. And we know the net force. So the net force is going to be, it is the force that is pulling it upward is 18 Newton. And the forces is trying to oppose that motion. One of the forces 2g sine 20, and the other force is 0.6 r. We know r is 18.4, so we are going to plug it in over here. So let's calculate the net force, the net resultant force that is acting on it. So the net resultant force is 18 minus 2g, that means 2 into 9.8. So sine 20, so this is going to be sine 20 minus 0.6 multiplied by 18.4. So the net force is 0.256. 0.256 Newton is the net force. So we know net force is mass into acceleration. So mass is 2 kg and acceleration is unknown. Therefore, so acceleration is 0.256 divided by 2, and acceleration is going to be 0.13 meter per second squared.